I'll be back. Alright, I'm back and I had to connect my headphones. Let's hope that this reduces my stuff. And let's hope that this thing don't lag out like my recording software. Okay. And there's proof that I am connected to it. And there are built-in headphones, I think. So y'all can hear. So, anyways, I bought a Roblox yesterday. Actually, yeah, I did buy one yesterday. I bought one the other day. Please don't. And here's proof that I got rare and epic. I'm premium now. And then I bought this. What are you doing over here? Is a Hi, Sharky. I'm trying to record a video, Isabella. Say hi to the internet. As right now I'm at that many, which is a big success because I'm trying to buy a regular Roblox. A Persona. Dang. How does this do that? Yeah, I'm trying to save up stuff. Anyways, here's the weirdest noise from my shirt puppet. Okay, let's go. Anyways, I hope the rest. What do you want, Donnie? I'm trying to record a video. Apparently it might help with the video noise, aka the game noise. Anyways, so you might know the full Wublin video, but this is what I use. MSM hacks. Here's what I use. Bugabunga.
I got your tablet. Yes. Huh?
I don't really make long videos, so goodbye. Before that, there was a new monster announced. If you have not heard it by now, yeah, here's what it sounds like. It is an innocent elephant. Stay to Roblox animations. I like him. Anyways, that's all. Bye. Bye.